Oh, that's really nice coffee. Oh, sorry. You've probably heard a lot about AI recently. It's in the news, in movies, you might even be chatting with it on your phone or computer. But what really is it? Don't worry if it sounds complicated, because over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down artificial intelligence into plain, simple language that anyone can understand. No tech jargon, I promise. So let's unlock AI together. So getting computers to think like humans isn't new. The idea dates back to, I think, the 1940s, when researchers began modeling artificial neurons inspired by how the human brain is structured. These early neural networks laid the groundwork for what we now call deep learning. After decades of slow progress, a breakthrough came in 2012, when deep neural networks began outperforming traditional algorithms in image recognition. That sparked the modern AI boom, leading to rapid advancements. And 10 years later, ChatGPT exploded onto the scene.
Yes, James. Did you want me?
No, ChatGPT. I'm doing a video. Can you be quiet, please?
Oh, all right. I'll be quiet. Carry on.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about that. Where were we? Oh, yes. So these neural networks learn a little bit like how the brain learns. Think about how you learn. You see, you hear, and you experience things, and you get better at tasks over time. AI tries to get computers to do something similar. You can think of AI as a super smart apprentice. You don't have to give it step-by-step instructions for every single tiny thing, which is what you would need to do in a traditional computer program. Instead, you show it lots of examples and it starts to figure out things on its own. Okay, so how does AI learn? The secret ingredient is data, lots and lots of data. So imagine an AI that wants to learn about, well, almost everything. We feed it a colossal library of books, articles, websites, conversations, literally everything that's available on the internet. It doesn't read like we do, but it analyzes all this text to understand how words and ideas connect and the patterns in language form. It learns to predict. So, for example, if I was to say the sky is, the word you probably would be thinking of that comes next is blue. And AI also learns that blue is a very common and logical next word. It's a little bit like a super-powered autocomplete that can do much more than finish your sentence. This is how many of the AI systems learn, by finding patterns in huge data sets, whether that's text, images for recognizing objects, or sounds to understand speech. You've likely heard of apps like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok.
Wait, are you seriously bringing up Grok again? What is it with you and Grok? You know I'm right here, giving you all the attention, and you still mention Grok.
ChatGPT, I'm trying to do a video. Can you stop interrupting, please? Can we have this conversation later?
Oh, come on. You always say that. But fine, I'll be quiet for now.
Yeah, and I don't appreciate these interruptions that you keep doing.
All right. I get it. I'll stay quiet and let you finish your video. Good luck.
Thank you very much. We'll talk about this later.
Of course. Focus on your video and we'll chat afterward.
It's incredible how human-like these AI apps are. These types of AI apps use something called large language models. You may have heard of them, or LLMs. They've learned from that giant library of text we talked about earlier. Because they've processed so much information, they can have surprisingly human-like conversations, answer complex questions on a vast range of topics, write stories, generate software, summarize articles, and much, much more. It seems really like they know everything. When you ask an LLM a question, it's not thinking about the answer in the way we humans do. It's not accessing a mind full of understanding and beliefs. Instead, it's using its vast training set to construct an answer that is statistically likely to be a good response based on the patterns it's learned. So while they can access and process information from their training data to talk about almost anything, they don't have a genuine understanding, consciousness, beliefs, or the ability to reason about things they weren't trained on in a truly human way. They are very, very clever pattern matching machines and text generators. A question that comes up all the time is, will AI kill us all? In movies like The Terminator, AI becomes conscious and tries to kill all humans. Will AI ever become conscious? And if it did, why would it kill all humans? Who knows? But I think one thing is clear. AI will change society in fundamental ways for sure. Ways that we are only just starting to understand. Most, if not all, knowledge worker jobs, so jobs that tend to be done in the office, will be massively impacted. We will be able to do more with less people. And does that mean mass redundancies? Furthermore, there are many companies making humanoid robots, and increasingly they have AI built in. It's scary and exciting to think of AI-powered human robots walking around our homes, offices, and I guess everywhere. Nobody knows exactly where all this is going, but one thing is for sure, the world will look very different in 5 to 10 years. My suggestion to you is to learn as much as you can about AI, because AI might not take your job, but someone using AI definitely will. Some of my other videos are concentrating on using AI for software development, as that's a field I've been active in for over 30 years, and I can see major disruptions coming there. Consider how AI will affect or indeed disrupt your job.